almost. Oh, that was a juicy one.
Just what I need. I'll take this.
Why do you need this?
Just look. My puss is a great mayonnaise replacement. Perfect.
Ew.
So yummy.
Breakfast time. Oh, wow. Bubbles. A big one. Oh, they are popped too easily. Oh, well. What the? Magic balloon? I won! This will be better than bubbles. Put some on the tube and blow. Look at it! Oh my! It's beautiful! Now to carefully twist the end. Close it up good and tight. Now to try it. So far, so good. No popping. Now the real test. Poke. Poke! It's amazing! Nice! Can I pull it? Wow! Better than real bubbles!
Cool! What's this? It's poppin' time! Huh? Maybe this one? Ha! Bye-bye! And you too! Haha!
Hey, my bubbles!
Maybe in exchange?
Wow! Sure! Thanks!
Thanks! So cool!
Oh! Wow! Timmy, I want to turn!
No, it's mine!
Okay, Minnie. Where is it? Oh! Take that! Guess you won't be needing this anymore. I'll make a better one. This straw gives me an idea. I'll need several straws and a pair of scissors. All I really need is the bendy ends. Now to put it all together. First, I need to stretch this out. I could do this all day. So satisfying. It's like a fun little worm. Look at it dance. It's hypnotic. Now to slip one end into the other to make a link in my chain. Oh, it fits perfectly. Not bad at all. It's a super cool necklace. And I made it myself.
Chloe, where's my toy?
Oops. Oh, I think this is yours. Someone broke it. Sorry.
Thank you. Yummy! Donuts! These are my favorite! So fresh! Wow! So good! Delicious! It was very tasty! Not for Timmy. Oh no! I need to fix this! Oh! Whoa! It's my belly! It was so lucky that it was here. Just what I need. First, I'll cut the sponge in half. A utility knife will do the trick. Almost there. Now I need to shape it. Already looking like a donut. Pink paint will look like glaze. Just need a nice thick coat. Then I'll paint on some sprinkles. Starting to look real. Haha. Nice. Like it's real. No, I gotta save it for Chloe. There. Perfect.
Treat time. My donuts. It's supersize. Smells amazing. What? What's this? A squishy. I love it. Oh, Chris, he is the cutest boy in school. I love him so much. My pencil. Why do they always break? There must must be a better way.
Hey.
Huh?
Don't worry. I will help you.
Okay.
First, I'll need some white cardboard. And I'll cover it in paint. The more colors, the cooler the effect when I'm done. Sweet! I'll clean my brush while that dries. A work of art. Now a Ziploc bag and the black acrylic paint. In it goes. I love this part. Seal the bag. Perfect. And flatten the paint to cover the inside of the bag. So squishy. It needs to be a thin layer. Without any gaps. Haha, almost done. Now to tape it in place. Center the painted image. Fold one side over it. And tape it down. Make sure it's secure. Repeat on all sides. Oh, and it needs a frame. Let's add some unicorns for a final touch. Oh, so cute. Now Chloe can write down all her secret notes. With the cool colors coming through. One swipe and it all disappears. Nice. It's for you.
Thank you. Let me try it out.
Okay.
This is awesome. It's you. See?
Really? That's my face. Very beautiful.
I knew you'd like it.
Yeah, it's something, all right. Sparkly. How big is it? Too small. Oh, that's more like it. Let's make a giant snow globe. I need water and super glue. First, I'll add the water to the jar. I need to fill it just over halfway. Then I'll add lots of glue. More. Keep it coming. The liquid needs to be gooey and thick. Now any sparkles will look like they're floating in the air. I think that's just about enough. Now some glitter. I choose purple. In you go. It already looks amazing. Gotta add some glitter stars. Is that enough? Nah, I want lots of sparkle. Haha, let's pop on the lid and try it. Whoa, too cool. So much bling. And it floats so smoothly. I'll never buy a snow globe again. Maybe I could sell my own and become a bajillionaire. I could stare at this all day. Man, I'm good at crafting. Yep, nice.
I'll just borrow this while he sleeps. Come on. Give it to me. Oops. Timmy's hat is so heavy. Must be made of bricks. Seriously? I'll make it better. A bag and some balls will work. I'll just need to fill this up. Last once. Now for the water. I'll need a lot. Almost to the top. There, that should do it. Perfect. Zip. Zip it close to keep it from leaking. This is better than a water balloon. And the balls are so colorful. Fun. Make it stop. What? Alec? No!
Huh? What's happening? This'll work. Hold still. There. Nice. This will shut her up.
Nice.
Finally. Maybe I can use these tears for something. I do have a lot of straws. I'll cut them first, because I just need the bendy bit. Stretch it first, then bend it. It needs something. Ah, a couple of googly eyes. Now I need a paperclip chain. I'll attach it to one side of the straw, like that. This is the fun bit. Drop it inside the water bottle, screw on the cap, and watch. Haha, it sinks when I squeeze the bottle and floats when I let go. Up and down, up and down. Brilliant.
Oh, so thirsty.
Hey!
Ew, it had lumps in it. Gross. Famous gum. Ew. That gives me an idea. First, a quick drawing of monster. I'm so talented. Hit your heart out, Picasso. Who needs scissors? Wow. I need another biscuit the same way. And a tiny balloon. It goes between the two pieces of paper. Then I can glue it in place. I hope this sticks. Good. Your turn. A natural and no messy popping.
3 little tree stumps. And a pop squirrel. And another. And another. I love squishies. They're too cute. They can be better. I'll add some water. Get it good and wet. Ha! The wetter the better.
La 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 la. What the? So much water. At least this is dry. I'll cover the toilet paper roll in cardboard. And tape the end down. Then a blue piece of paper. I'll carefully trace around it. The perfect circle. Now to grab my trusty ruler. A few straight lines. And I made a house. Boom! Then cut it out. But what's this? You'll see. I'll push in this balloon. Make sure the knot is at the back. Oh, a yellow roof is a nice touch. But mine, your friend, is missing a face. A dark marker will fix that. Oh, what a cute little puppy. Cool, he moves. Squish, squish, squish. I'll name you Puppy the Pup. Oh, fun. I wonder how far I can stretch.
Hey! What's this? I have an idea! I need a straw and a pencil sharpener. As I twist, it will create plastic curls. Round and round and round. Whoa, getting dizzy. Almost done. Ah, they look so cool! Especially when I pull them apart. Long, short. Long, short. What else can I do with them? I know! Tickle, tickle, tickle! Gotcha!
Loser!
So good!
I want some too!
It's mine!
Okay. Let's play for it.
Okay.
Get ready to lose. Ready?
Okay. First, we'll add the foam here. Let's make it worthwhile. You first.
Okay. 4. Ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, ew. What a mess. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
Hope you like glitter. We'll call you Bling Boy. You'll be covered for days. Perfect. Worried? Your turn.
Okay.
5.
Here goes nothing. 5.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. No! So much glitter. It's everywhere.
Bling Boy. Such a great game.
Yeah. Nice. That's my sister.
Squishy! I just want to squeeze it so badly. This is so disgusting and so satisfying. It's finished. I know, I'll make my own. All I need are a few things. Some glue should do the trick. Now we just need to fill it up. Ready, my DIY version is even better. I love how disgusting this is. It relaxes me. I love the squishy toy. I'll have all squishy toys, actually. Not again! But I wasn't done playing with my ball. This was fun to watch, but now I don't have a ball to play with. Now it's all empty and useless. But I can make it just like I made the toys before. This should do the trick. These little balls can be used for all sorts of decorations as well. Of course I don't want it if it doesn't have glitter. And now to add more water. Oh wow, this is gonna be better than the one I ripped. I'm in love with the result. So squishy. I couldn't wait. Wonder if I can use this to pick my nose. Honestly, better with nails, but alright. Ew! Where was that the whole time? I'm honestly a little disgusted. Whoa! What the… now that's really disgusting. Why does it stink so much? I need to get my toy box. Well, I haven't opened you in quite some time. What's this? Yep, that's what I need. Making these experiments is so much fun. I love glitter so much. Now I need this slime. It's so stretchy. This is going to be so fun. I need to try and spread it out as evenly as possible. Almost there. Wow, it's so pretty. I just love all these colors mixed together. Everything is so satisfying when you make it on your own. Whee! Oops. I didn't want to do that, but okay. I have more. Ouch! Who knew slime can hurt you out of jealousy? Squishy, 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 squishy! I expected more from this toy, to be honest. Ruined. But I know exactly how to handle this! There you are, and thank you very much!
It was just here!
Let's see here. I need all of these for starters. This feels a little wrong, I must admit. I just need to be firm. So satisfying! It looks like spaghetti! I have the best ideas. Aha! That's what I wanted. Let's see what you're really made of, Puffball. Oh, this is so fun!
Honey cookies! Meg, behave yourself!
Sorry, Mom. Yikes.
And take this back.
Huh? Oh, Mom! Wait. Take this. Oh my god, this is so tasty. How I love poking these guys. Another one? Why do my toys keep breaking? Oh, I have an idea! Alright, red paper, check. This is my best idea yet. And after I add the green part, it will be just alike. And there we go. Almost perfect. I'm in love with my new gadget. This relaxes me. Hi, Dora. Yes. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Wow, so realistic. Oh, I love this. What is it? I love the color pink. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to cut it. Let's put it in here. I'm making my own candy dispenser. Let's put them all in. Oh, I have the greatest idea! I need 2 good ones to make this one. Wow! This is going to be so much fun. I can also take them like this. Oh, come on. Oh, too bad. Oh, I'm just going to grab them all. Uh-oh, this is not good. Oh, well, you can't have everything. I love these fidgety things. Oh, no. Now I have to fix this, too. Alright, I'm going to need this. That we don't need. All I need is this red marker. I love drawing, even though I'm not the best at it. But these hearts don't look bad at all. Alright, let's put them to good use. If I put this in the middle, that's all I need. Oh, this is so much fun! Whee! I like mine better than the old version. I need it to go faster now. Oh, no! Well, what can you do? I'm so bored. Look! Oh, wow! Oh, yes, we will. Come in! Let's start with glue, just like in the video. I sure hope that I'm doing a great job. Alright, enough of ASMR. It's time. Let's trade colors. Ah, this is the best sound in the world. The pink one looks so pretty. One more. Let's trade!
Girls, what's with this mess?
It's the toys I made.
Huh? I have my own collection